she was concerned, Christine would have never let me leave that house if she was scared. She would have said, let's get this guy out of here together.
Emotional testimony in a Lee County courtroom today in the death penalty trial of accused double murderer Wade Wilson.
He's accused of killing Christine Melton and Diane Ruiz in Cape Coral back in 2019. NBC2 Samantha Serban is live from the courthouse with a recap of today's testimony.
Peter Kelly, the state focused almost entirely on the death of Christine Melton today, and Wade Wilson showed no emotion. Not as pictures of the crime scene were showed, not during the conversation about her autopsy, and not as her best friend took the stand.
Friendly, charming.
Is there any red flags that popped up when you were talking to him?
No.
How did he introduce himself to you?
At that point, he introduced himself as JR.
That's the way Stephanie Johnson says Wade Wilson introduced himself October 6th, 2019. Johnson was out with her best friend, Christine Melton, at a Fort Myers bar. Multiple witnesses report the two hit it off and ended up going home together. When Johnson left Melton's Cape Coral home, she says all was well.
She hugged me and kissed me goodbye and said, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
And again, when she told you goodbye and that she'd see you tomorrow, did you have any concerns for her safety?
No. If she was concerned, Christine would have never let me leave that house if she was scared. She would have said, let's get this guy out of here together.
Just a few hours after that,
He was wearing sweatpants only, no shoes, no shirt. He was bloody, and he was missing a couple of teeth.
Joshua Lukic says Wade Wilson came to his shop, showing up in a black Nissan, later discovered to belong to Christine Melton.
His demeanor was frantic, in a rush to leave as quickly as he could, because he had just done something horrific and killed people.
By the time police arrived, Wilson had disappeared. Prosecutors say he broke into a nearby home to hide and called his father.
He starts describing what he had done. He describes it in such a way where he's bragging. He wants his dad to feel that excitement.
Asking for help once again, Wilson allegedly asked his dad for a ride.
His dad gets the address, tells him, yeah, I'm going to send you an Uber, passes that information along to the marshals. Marshals descend on that particular.
Wilson is arrested, now charged not only with Christine's death, who was strangled, then wrapped in her own bedding. He's accused of killing Diane Ruiz, too. Prosecutors did ask Wade why.
He said, I just wanted to do it. What about Miss Ruiz? His response was, F it.
Wilson's attorneys elected not to present any opening statements today, so we really have no idea what their plan of action is to defend their client.
Sam, there is another victim in this case who survived, Wade's ex-girlfriend, who we have spoken to. She told us he confessed to her as well, right?
Right, and you may remember her saying that he was like Jekyll and Hyde. He was nice one minute and angry the next. She says the same day he's accused of killing these two women, he brutally attacked her. And she said in her testimony this afternoon that there was nothing behind his eyes. She said they were a pitch black hole, like a serial killer. She did get away and was able to call police. And she testified against Wade today, but did not look him in the face one time. I'm local from downtown Fort Myers. Samantha Serban, NBC2.
And Samantha will be there for us throughout the trial.